Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Hamsa and I love documenting my life. Welcome to a new vlog. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of packages that I've ordered over the past month. I have just been saving up all of them so that I can come make a video and open the packages together with you all. Let's go category by category. I have ordered from Amazon, Plum, Nika and Nastasia. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Let's get started with Nastasia itself. So this is the Nastasia package. First up, I have internet favorite, the Stanley bottle. So we got two straws. One is steel and one is plastic. Oh, so pretty. Oh, there are few more attachments. One is the straw cleaner. Also, we have a silicone attachment for your straw. And it comes with the lid and a basic mug. Let's move on to the next one. They've given so much attention to the safety of the product. I love the packaging. This is how it looks. Oh my god, they're so pretty. This is a set of 4 glasses. Okay, next let's unbox Plum package. Plum used to be my favorite brand a few years back. There's no particular reason why I kind of stopped using them, but when I was using, like, I really love their products. That's why I wanted to give it another shot. The one product that I use from them is the cleansing balm, which I've spoken earlier in the video as well. So let's see what I have now. Okay, pretty. So this is how it has come. Let's see what's in here. So I called for a body lotion, Vanilla Caramello. It's their bestseller for the right reasons. If anybody here has used their vanilla range body products, you would know how nice their products are. So I ordered for this rose water toner. These are some cute freebies that I got. All are minis, perfume, and a body lotion, the same range. Next, my favorite, their cleansing balm. If you're on a budget and looking for a good makeup remover balm, this is it. Of course, there is mother of all the cleansing balm, that is Clinique. That's there one side. It has its own fan base, but if you're on a budget, do give this a try. I highly recommend this. There's some or the other thing that I have to order from Nykaa every single month, so this is this month's package. Let's see what's in there. First up, I have Bioderma's Micellar water. Next is Rene Kajal. Also, I called for Dot & Key eye patches. This is Patek Sara's Dewy Hydrating Mist. The last one I bought is almost getting over, so I called for a new one. I ordered for a current internet's favorite blush, that is Maybelline Sunkiss blush. I want to try it. Also, this is Tilter's Milk Toner. Of course, it's so expensive. I called for a smaller one to test it out if it's really going to suit my skin or not. If it does well, I'll be so happy that I found a good milk toner. Also, I have been looking for a good translucent powder in a budget. I came across this translucent powder from Revlon. So it's been ages since I used any product from Revlon, so I wanted to just try it out. Of course, Nykaa has to always send this serum. I don't know why. They just send this as a freebie every single time. So now let's move on to Amazon packages because there are a lot. To be very honest, this mic and another tripod did come in Amazon itself, but I had to open it because I wanted to use it. Also, I have 4 more packages to be delivered. I cannot wait as I'm traveling tomorrow. So please don't mind, I'm just going to add those clips here after this video is done. So come on, let's dig in now. Let's open from the smallest. This is a very essential. It's a nail cleaning kit. Of course, I have nails, and sometimes when I eat, it's going to be very dirty, and One thing, it's very uncomfortable. Second thing, it's not at all hygienic. So I called for a nail cleaning kit. I used to use this before, but now I don't know why I just stopped using it. The highlight of Amazon packages are basically everything travel related, because I do have some travel coming up. So this is their toiletry. Very basic 2 pouch one. If you guys need a detailed review on any of the products that you saw, please leave a comment down there. Also, I've observed that you guys send such sweet messages and video recommendations, everything on my DM. You literally, from YouTube, you come to Instagram and then DM me about the things that you want to tell me or suggest me, whatever that is. Please do that here in the YouTube comment section. So let's open the big box now. So another pouch. This is for all the electronics and tech related items. It has all these small compartments and a divider here. So you can carry like your SD cards or mic, power bank, all your cables, chargers, and all those things. This is the organizers for sari or blouse, anything traditional. That's what my mom uses this for. Also, I called for a scarf. It comes in pair of two. One is pink in color and another one is red. I did not expect them to be this silky and bright, but let's see how I'm going to style it. This is a mini jewelry organizer. Of course, for travel. I'm so tired of keeping in tiny boxes. So I called for this. I think it has 2 steps. Oh yeah. This is for all your dainty chains. This for some earrings. You can keep it here. This is for your rings. I think this is adjustable. Yeah, good thing that it's adjustable. Also, I have 2 more travel pouches. One is this. For anything, any essential things. The same pouches I called for in different colors. So I have a silicone pouch, makeup pouch. Very basic. The makeup pouch that I currently have is seeing the end of its life, so I didn't want to trouble it anymore. So here I called for a new one. This is for my regular use. Also, I called for a vanilla vibe, same plum range, a travel size, because for the travel. I have Dot & Key's sunscreen, Carmes's underarm roll-on, very essential for summers. And finally, I got my hands on this book, Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kohli. She was one of my very initial inspiration, and I used to be hooked onto her content, and she was so different and nice. I really love her. She's so witty, she's so funny. I had to get this book. Of course, I did take a lot of time to get my hands on it, but finally we are here. Trust me, interesting videos are coming, especially the product reviews. If you have any suggestion, please comment down. I think that's it. We came to the end of the video. Like I mentioned in the middle of the video that there are still 4 or 5 more products to reach, but unfortunately I'm traveling tomorrow. I won't be able to shoot it, and there are few things from here that I have to take for my travel. It's a lot of confusion. So now I'm going to play that video. I don't know how I'm going to make it, if I'm going to sit down and again show it to you all in person, or I'm just going to play a video. Please do watch that as well. That's it, guys. This is the end of the video. If you have watched till here, thank you so much. Please do subscribe, share, comment, like, and tell me what I did better and what I did not. I'll meet you in the next video very soon. Bye bye. Love you all.